Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Data Science Nerd. So today we are going to discuss our next topic, which is SQL joins. So today we'll discuss what are joins and what are the types of joins. So before we move to our next topic, please do subscribe the channel and like the video, and also please do join the Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram channel I have pasted in the description below. Okay, so let's begin. So what are SQL joins if I ask you? So let's first see with example. Let's say we have a table 1. Okay, so the table 1 contains data like employee ID, employee name, employee salary. Okay, and the table 2 contains data employee ID, date of joining, which is DOJ, and some additional allowances such, for example, any employee or employees are getting. Okay, so what is join? If very basic I ask, like in a very layman language, then what is join? So join is nothing but join is a clause which is used to combine rows from two or more tables. Okay, from two or more table based on some related column. So let's say these are the two tables and we want to combine all these rows. Okay, the rows that will come in under this column, we want to based on some column which is common between them. So what is the like common column between these two tables? So which is employee ID. Okay, so employee ID. So for example, if we want to see, let's say, details of any employee and its allowances. Okay, so what will I do? Like let's say I want employee name and allowances, but employee name is in a table 1 and employee 2 and allowances are in table 2. So how will we do this? We will join these two table based on this employee ID column. Okay, and then we will fetch our data, which is employee name and allowances. Okay, so now we will discuss that what are the types of joins. Okay, so let's say I will remove this first. So I will explain it with the use of Venn diagram first. Okay, so let's say we have, okay, so let's say we have this one is table 1 and this one is table 2. Okay, now when we talk about left join. Okay, so what is the left join? So left join, what left join will do will, it is like it will return all the records from left table and the matched records from the right table. Okay, it will return all the records from the left table and it will return all the records which are like matched with the left table. Okay, from the right table also, like matched records from the right table. So for example, how this will come, like if I show you with the highlighter, let's say. Okay, so this is table 1, right? So this will, like, it will come like this. So this is the common portion. Okay, between two table. So this one and this left join, left table 1, data from left table, all this data will come. Okay, so this is left join. See, I'm explaining you with like Venn diagram so that it is easier for you to get what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is left join. Now if we talk about right join. Okay, so what is right join? Right join is nothing but it will return all the records from the right table and a matched record from the left table. So how we will draw the Venn diagram of it? So we will draw like this. So these are the matched records. This one is the common which are matching. This one is common area and these are from all the right table. So matched record plus right table. What is this? This is right join. Okay, so now if I talk about full outer join, let's say. So what is full outer join? So, full outer join is nothing but it returns all the records whether they are matching or not. Like it will like return the record when there is a match in either left or right table. Did you got my point? Means the complete record. Complete, it will check for the whole record like this. See, this complete record, complete one. Okay, so either the data, it will return the data, all data, it will first of all it will return all data. Okay, all data. So definitely we will need a column, right, common column to return the data. So either the match is between the ref table, that common area is between the left table or the right table. No matter in which table it is, it will return that all the data. Okay, so now if I move to inner join. So what is inner join? So inner join is nothing but the records that have matching values in both tables. In both tables means this common area, matching values in both tables. Okay, only this one is inner join. Okay, so now we will see like how we can join one by one. Okay, so for example, let's move to left join first. Okay, so let's go to our SQL query. So for example, if I want to join, let's say there is a table customer, there is a table customer 2. Okay, customer 1 and customer 2. So how will I join the table? So for example, so I will tell you first, I will tell you the format. Okay, the format is select column name. Okay, column name from table 1. Then let's say we are performing left join, so we will do left join table 2. Okay, now did you see the structure how the joins are getting formed? Select column name from table 1, left join table 2. Now we will write the condition of joining. Let's say on what field we are joining. So how will we select on condition? We will select like name of table 1. Okay, so name of table 1 is table 1 here, dot name of column. So table 1 dot column name, which is the column name from table 1, is equal to table 2 dot column name. Okay, so this is the joining condition for left join. For example, let's say we have an employee table and we want, see if I take the same example, let's say from table 1 I am taking like employee name, and from second table I am taking allowances. Okay, so how we will give this employee name? How will employee name is coming from which table? Table 1. So we will write it like this: table 1 dot employee name, comma, table 2 dot allowances from table 1, left join table 2 on table 1 dot employee ID. Okay, because based on the employee ID we are joining these two tables. So table 1 dot employee ID is equal to table 2 dot employee ID. Okay, so this is how we are performing joining condition. This is the left join. In the Venn diagram I already showed you. Okay, so this we will practice first. I am discussing all the overview like how joins are getting formed. This we will practice for 2 to 3 days at least. At least 2 to 3 days we will just practice these queries on HackerRank or some other online compiler. After we will discuss this. Okay, and also please do join the Telegram channel. Okay, I will keep posting some joins problem there also, so you can solve these joins problem there. Okay, so please don't forget to join Telegram channel. I will paste the link in the description. So let's move towards the right join. Okay, so right join is also what we will do is instead of left join we will put it as right join, and all other condition will remain same. Okay, select table 1, select, let's say we got some data from table 1, so table 1 dot column name, table 2 dot column name from table 1, then right join table 2, then on table, this is joining condition. Okay, on which we are joining the both the tables. Okay, so now this is right join. Then what is full join? So full join is nothing but full join we use like this: full outer join. So join is already written. Okay, so here also we will like this only: table 1 dot column name, table 2 dot column name, and the columns that we want here. Okay, you can write like that. Full join means either in the left or in the right, wherever the match is found, it joins all the data. Okay, we can fetch all the data based on some column which can be matched in either of the tables. Okay, so now we will discuss our self join. Okay, so let's move to self join. So how self join is formed? So you already know that self join is nothing but the join between, let's say we have a table. Okay, self join is what? It is a like a regular join, but the table is joined with itself. Okay, when you are joining this table with itself, then it is a regular join. Okay, so for example, so let's say I am having table. So for example, let's say I'm having table 1 only. Okay, so table 1 name is employee table. Okay, so but how I will form this self join? So here I will give the same table. Let's say table 1 is there, right? So table 1 I will give as, let's say I'm giving table 1 as a name, and again table 1 I will write, and I will give this as b name. So this is alias name. This is the for syntax for giving alias name to the table. See, table 1a, table 1b, that means same table is used two times. Okay, so now here how will I write? I will write a dot employee name comma b dot allowances from this from table 1a, table 1b. Then we won't write all these things. Okay, this full outer join is not required. On self on self join we will write like this: where a dot employee id is equal to b dot employee id. Okay, this is how we form self join. Did you got my point? That means the table is joined with itself. So now we have seen these all types of basic joins, and the same applies for inner join also. Okay, I mean inner join is nothing but the common area that is lying between the two tables. So we are fetching all those datas. So these are the some basics of these SQL joins that I have just discussed. So there are multiple things around these joins, and joins are like very complex things. So not only two tables, we will see these joins on multiple tables, like 3 to 4 tables. We will see how we can join and combine and fetch our data. Okay, this we will practice live on HackerRank also, because HackerRank I think has like a good quality of problems related to these joins. Also, we have to discuss some union, all these operators also, like clauses in here. Uh, Later on, once we will practice these joins, we will move to some stored procedures. We will discuss our stored procedures also. Then some SQL database topics are also left, like dates, function, views, and these index, primary key, foreign key. So drop, alter, you have already seen. Drop, alter, constraint, all these things we have already discussed. So if you have not watched my previous videos, do go and watch this playlist. I will attach the playlist at the end of this video. Okay, so please do watch that videos and just see that what are the joins and how we are going to like solve these problems. Okay, some learn some basics about it. And also please do join the Telegram channel, because I will be posting some problems related to joins. So try to solve some basic problem at least. Okay, because from tomorrow onwards what I will do is I will only discuss examples for these joins, because I have planned like to cover joins at least for 3 to 4 days and later on move to our next topic. Okay, so please do complete this and do read about it, and see the Telegram channel. There I will post some problems and discuss those problems later on. So keep try to solve those problems. If you are able to solve, then we will see how can we proceed about it. If you will be comfortable, I will cover some problems on hacker rank also and try to solve your problems whichever doubt you have. So if you have any doubts, you can post about your doubts and queries on datageek59@gmail.com. Okay, data geek datageek59@gmail.com. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, and don't forget to join the Telegram channel also. So I will be keep posting you about my next video also. So tomorrow also we will meet again with some examples related to join. Okay, so goodbye friends, goodbye, have a nice day.